Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Sublimation Sleuths. Um, I just had a question on how to download the free all-over shirt templates from Cosmos Inc. and to unzip them. I am doing this on a Windows computer. I will try later to do from a Mac, but I wanted to get this one up for the person that asked me so that they can see, I guess, sort of the proper way to do it. There are different ways to do it, but this is how I've learned to do it. The reason there's a little confusion is, as you will see when I click the link, and I will put a link to this page with the videos showing it in the description of the video down below. So when you click the link for the all over template, it says free for a limited time, but it's still available as of January 20th, 2022. All I did here was I just clicked the link. I apologize for that. Which opens this page, which is actually a Google Drive file. And if you click the download, which I'll show you again in a minute as soon as this loads up, it's going to bring you this page, which is your downloads. You want to pay attention to where you download it. Right now, I'm just going to download it to the desktop to make it really simple, and that way there it's easy to find. And then you click save. Now it's downloading over here. Yes, I have McAfee currently running. For some reason, I cannot figure out how to do away with this. But the button that I click to download the file is right here that says download. So now if you're on a Windows machine, you can click on the file, click show in folder. Oh, I should also note I'm running Windows 11. I will also do this on a Windows 10 computer that is running 7-zip, which is what I recommend to use for compression. So all I did here is I just right-clicked onto it, and then you go to extract all. It's going to ask you where you want to save it to. I'm just going to let it go to the desktop. You click extract. Now, once it extracts, it opens up the folder. You can click onto it, see which one that you want to do. And the one that you want to use for using Affinity is the one with the little Affinity photo icon. Yes, I do have Affinity Photo as well as Designer and Affinity Publisher. So when you double click this, it launches my Affinity Photo, and then as you'll see, you have both files side by side, which is right here. So I'm hoping that this clears it up a little bit as to how to do it. There are instances where it's an issue. I guess some people are downloading the file and they're only getting one image. But this does still work. I will try and do a video here in the next couple weeks of using this, following along with Angelo from Cosmos Inc.'s video to do an all-over sublimation shirt. It's something that I've been wanting to do. I have not had the time to, or the space to. This weekend we are in our brick and mortar location, which gives me a much greater area for our heat press machine. So I'm hoping that this clears it up as to the easiest way to download it. As always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell notification. And that way there you stay up to date with all the videos that we are putting out. Also search for Sublimation Sleuths on Facebook. I will also put a link to this video on the Facebook page. Thanks, and hope you're having a wonderful day.